Okay guys, welcome back to Forex Academy guys. So I want to be showing you this strategy that you can use to grow your small account from $10 to $100 or from $100 to $1,000 guys. It is working 99% accurate guys. It is 99% accurate. Okay guys, so let me quickly show you how it works. So you can see right here, this is the combination of the RSI and the moving average guys. So first of all, what you need to look out for is the crossover of the RSI, crossing the moving average guys. So once you see the RSI, which is the gold line crossing below the blue line, then you enter for a sell. You can see what's happened right here. Let me show you guys. So guys, you can see what happens right here guys. Let me show you. You see, you just look at the main chart, then look here on our indicator. You see what happened? You see what happened guys? See what happened? So that's just it guys, as simple as that. Okay, so let me show you another entry. It is basically for scalping, okay guys, not for long-term trade. It's just for scalping. You can use it very well for scalping. Okay, so look at what we have here. You can see this setup. You can see it guys, as simple as that. Once you see this RSI line crossing the MA line, the moving average, crossing the moving average blue, then you take a buy. Guys. This is on the 15-minute time frame, but you can basically use it for other time frames too. Let me show you another setup. Okay, this is a sell. You can see right here, this is a sell. See it? See what's happening right here? Look at the main chart. See what's happening right here guys. Basically for scalping. Okay, scalping guys. You can also use it on your Profem account. Okay, but before you trade on a live account, make sure you demo trade it first. Try it on a demo. Okay guys, if it gives you 90% accuracy, stick to it. Okay, because I've been using it for some times now before coming to make video about it guys. So let me show you another pair. Let me show you Euro USD. Let me show you Euro USD. Okay, as you can see right here guys, so I'm actually supposed to take a buy right here. Look guys, it has already crossed. You can see. So just take a look. I'm actually going to take a buy here. Okay guys, so let me show you what's actually happening here. Just look at this second setup. This one. Just look at this second setup. See this one. It's a very clear entry guys. Very clear entry. Look at what's happened on the main chart too at the same time. You see it? For a sell, you sell. And also if you want to buy, look at how this golden RSI line crosses above this moving average line. Look at what happened on the main chart. You can see guys, just for small volume, okay, scalp the market and leave it. Don't be a greedy trader guys. Okay, don't be greedy. Okay, so look at what happened here. Also look at what happened here. And what makes me see it is 90% accurate, 99% accurate, is that it does not repaint guys. RSI and moving average, it does not repaint. Okay, it doesn't repaint, it is accurate. So that's what I love about it. Okay, let me show you another pair, but before I do that, I would love to share the settings with you. Let me show you the settings for this particular strategy. We have these two settings, which we for the a related straight index, we have the moving average. So let me show you the settings for the relative straight index. Click on it. Okay, on our period we have period 13, apply to close. Style, we have 3 pixel. You can change the color to any color of your choice. Then on the levels, we have level 50, only level 50. Okay, 2 pixel. Then you change the color to any color of your choice. As for me, I'm using white, black, because I'm using a white background. Okay, guys. Then you click on save. Okay, so that you click on save. Then you click on indicator window 1 again. This place, click on indicator window 1 again. Okay, so after clicking it, then it will take you to where you have to add your second indicator. Okay, which is this moving average right here. Okay, so the settings for the moving average: period 34, shift 0, method simple, apply to first indicators data, guys. Always apply to first indicators data. Okay, then the style, 3 pixel. You can choose any color of your choice, but as for me, I'm using blue. Then no levels. Okay, no levels. Yeah, so after that you click on save. Okay, guys, so those are the settings for this particular strategy. Okay, so like I said earlier, let me show you another pair for you to know how powerful this strategy is. Okay, I would like to show you on USD/JPY. Okay, US dollar and the Japanese yen. Very good, guys. You can see what happened here. Look at what happened there, guys. You can see, what's this golden line? You can see it, this golden line breaks above this blue line, this moving average. It breaks this moving average. This is your RSI line. And look at the main chart. Look at what happened. You can see that long candle. Assuming you enter it now, it would have been a massive profit. Get it, guys? So you can use this strategy to scalp in very high terms. You can use to scalp the market. Okay, look at another setup, guys. Just look at another setup. Look at it. Look at the indicator and the main chart. It does not repeat, guys. It doesn't repeat. Okay, it doesn't repeat. Okay, you can also look at this, very good one. Look at here. Look at what happened actually. It crosses it, then you take your buy entry. Okay, guys, as simple as that. Very easy, guys. So I know those of you watching, guys, let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I know it's not easy, but I know with the help of God and you all will be able to make it, guys. So this is 2025. And also, if you want to join my VIP signal groups, which is $10, you can actually DM me. Just check the description of this video. You will see my WhatsApp number. Just DM me, okay, so that I will add it myself. DM me, I will add it myself. Okay, guys, so that's for that, guys. So you can use this strategy for as long as you want. Okay, just stick to it. Don't hop on many strategies. I've already said it before in one of my videos. Okay, because the problem of 99% of forex traders is the strategy. They can they are jumping on many strategies, many ones. They can't stick to one. The essence of me dropping these many strategies here is that for you to choose the best out of the best. Okay, choose the best out of the best. Okay, because what Juliet is using might be different from what Romeo is using. Okay, so if I'm using this particular strategy and you are using a smart money concept, which is technical analysis, you are using ICT to trade, all those ones, So stick to it. If you know that that strategy is giving you 90% accuracy, a very 90% or 99% accuracy, you know that it's working very well, stick to it. Okay. And also your risk management is also matters. Okay. I know many of you would have been asking that where would I put my stop loss and take profit. Okay, where you put your stop loss and you take profit, guys, it's very 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 important, really really important, guys. And one thing I love about this strategy is a sniper entry. Very very sniper entry, guys. Sniper entry, guys, very very simple. Okay, so now for this particular trade right here, this one, you can see is a bullish one. You can see it, right? So you can actually take your trade right here, okay? You can take it right here. Let me show you. Let me use okay, let me use this. Let me show you by this. Okay, very good. You can put your stop loss right here, you can put it right here, this place, this particular place right here, this support level. Okay, this previous support level. Okay, then you take your buys, from here, okay, you take your buy from here. You can put your take profits here also. You can put your take profits here. Okay, you can put it here, this previous resistance. Okay, you can put it here. So as simple as that. Okay, guys, very very easy. You can basically use it for 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 reward. Okay, risk to reward ratio. So guys, that's for that. Okay, so I'm telling you that this strategy is working. It's working, 99% working. Okay, so like I said earlier, if you want to join my VIP group, DM me with my number. Okay, you will see it on this comment section pinned, or just check on the description of this video. Okay guys, so thank you. See you on my next video.